Okay, so here we have the square root of 32 over 4, and we're writing it in simplest radical form. Now, we can't just do 32 divided by 4 and get the square root of 8. That one's out. Because the idea is that if you're taking the square root of x over the square root of y, that's the same thing as the square root of, square root of x divided by y. So here we don't have a square root down here under 4. You could rewrite this, right, and then make this work. You could rewrite it as the square root of 32 over the square root of 16. The square root of 16 is just 4. So I haven't changed anything. I'm just writing it differently. Then this would be equal to the square root of 32 over 16. And that's just the square root of what? Well, 32 divided by 16 is 2. So the answer is 1, or radical 2. But in case that strategy feels overwhelming to you, another way to think about it is to break apart the square root of 32 into its perfect square factors. So the square root of 32 we know is equal to 16 times 2. So this equals the square root of 16 times the square root of 2. Well, the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 2 can't be broken down any further, so it equals 4 times the square root of 2. And what that does is it allows you to rewrite this whole fraction as 4 times the square root of 2 instead of the square root of 32 over 4. And here we're dividing, right, 4 groups of radical 2 divided 4 ways, so those 4's cancel out to 1, which doesn't matter in multiplication, right? 1 times radical 2 is still just radical 2, the answer we got before. So here the answer is 1. Thanks.